What you're doing is incredible. You've been showing up every single day, doing your best and juggling a million things at once, pouring your energy, love and time into your little one. Yes, it can feel exhausting. It can feel like no one notices you, but trust me when I say it doesn't go unnoticed. We get it. Some days feel like you're giving and giving without getting much in return. Maybe you feel underappreciated, unnoticed, or like your hard work is invisible. The hugs, the comfort, the cleaning up the house, cleaning messy meals, stories at bedtime, working hard to keep a roof over your children's head, these all don't go unnoticed. Let me remind you, you are seen. Those late night feeds, those endless nappy changes and blowouts, the times you've put yourself last to make sure your child's needs are met. Going to work even though it hurts you to leave your child. It all matters and it's all felt and it's all heard. The way you show up every day, even on the tough days, is extraordinary. You're building a foundation of love, care and security for your child. One day, when your child is all grown up, maybe even a parent themselves, they'll look back and see just how much you did for them. They'll understand the sacrifices, the sleepless nights, and all those everyday moments you poured your heart into. And trust me, they will thank you in ways you can't even imagine right now. But why wait for the future? You deserve to be thanked right now. You deserve to be celebrated right now. Parenting is a full-time job that doesn't come with a break or a paycheck, but your love, your effort, and your patience, they're priceless. So next time you feel exhausted or like no one sees what you're doing, remember, you're doing an amazing job. You're strong, capable, and irreplaceable in your child's life. You're giving them more than you'll ever know. And if you're watching this today and feeling a little down or a little burnt out, just know that it's okay to step back. It's okay to feel worn out. What you're doing is hard and you're doing it so well. You are enough. Remember, the love you give today is shaping your child's future. So keep going, keep loving, and keep being you. And please take this moment to pause, take a breath, and just appreciate yourself. Parenthood can feel overwhelming, but it's also the most rewarding job in the world. You're not just raising a child, you're shaping their future. And for that, you deserve all the thanks in the world. Keep up the incredible work and know that you're loved and appreciated today and always. Follow us for more parenting tips and support, and remember always that you're not alone in this journey.